Yes or no? Come on, we only live once. We only live once. Wait, you can't. No, you can't. Okay, yours. Hey, Curtis. Oh. I'm sorry. What are you pointing at? I thought your amp was. Never mind. I thought your amp was doing something. Thank you very much for hanging out and being flexible with us tonight, sir. I like your tattoos, lady. Hey, have you ever had the champagne tattooed lady from? It's from. Help me out, tattooed lady. Up on 414, tattooed lady. John and his daughter, John. Lead and Frost. Tattooed lady. Curtis Corlew on the bass. Thank you, Curtis. He's not done. He's just taking a short break. We got Bill Benson is back. Oh shit, he's got his radio. Wow. We're gonna do Hey Joe. Cool. We're gonna do Hey Joe. Okay, is that a E? God, it's so Grab me a whiskey if you get a chance. Curtis.
That's gonna be great.
Thank you, Bill Benson. Thank you, David Hurley. All right, we're gonna take a minute of a break or two, see what's going on. We'll get back to you in a minute.
Whoa, am I done then? It's 8.
We'd like to thank you.
Right? So
We're
I'm
hanging
done,
out a
right?
minute or two. Curtis,
I'm packing up.
you're done.
All right.
We're gonna take a short break. We'll have Curtis come back.
Hey, that was fun.